Cavity. You don't want to brush your teeth. Oh.
Cavity cam.
Cavity cam.
Oh, bad throw. Just like every E36,
Still need your fucking door card on.
Business is booming. Are we ready to go, fellas?
Isak?
What, $9?
How you feeling this morning?
Hey, how you doing? I thought I was supposed to work today.
Oh, shit.
I got really scared when my alarm went off, so.
Vancouver International
Boys ready or what?
Send it.
Yeah? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good day. Has now gone sprinting over to his car. You can see him down there. He forgot his wallet. That's round 3 for Isaac having to go back to his car. Nice little morning sprint or what? I mean, weird flex, but okay.
Straight flex.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy. Isaac, get up there. Quite commonly, I mask my farts with a loud cough.
Officially in Vancouver? Yeah, just got off the ferry, well off the bus. Off the ferry? Ferry bus. Off the ferry bus. Currently headed to Sports Trek. See the space coops in Tesla. That's nice.
We are unsure of what is happening right now. Yeah, no doubt, eh? Look at him, he's so concentrated.
What in the fuck is that? Came off the assembly line a little wrong.
Look at that discount.
Ooh.
Fat discount.
That is a fat discount. Cop? Fat, that's not how you're trying to shoot. That's not how you size it up.
Devastation. The escalator's broken.
Oh my god.
Gorgeous M3 vert. Spicy. That is nice. Hey Isaac, are you upset?
I'm very upset.
Yeah, you're hangry, eh?
Very angry.
Oh man, we got 5 guys here. Oscar, Isak, myself, Isaac, and Cam. 5 guys.
5 guys. 5 guys going to 5 guys.
Oh, it's meant to be. It's meant to be.
Multiple tickets.
Jenna's not giving us any support here. No. I don't know what to do.
Jenna, what the hell?
So we're only outside, and we're already fangirling over this FDRX7 that's right here. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Absolutely gorgeous car.
I love the headlights.
Yeah, the headlights, gorgeous.
So much carbon fiber.
So
Good.
much carbon fiber. I love the gauges on the dash.
Even the
there.
scoops, dude. Hey, check this out. The scoops, all carbon fiber.
They're real too, they work.
Big Johnny's in the back.
Big Johnny. Oh, Big Johnny's. Oh, he's even got a sub, eh? Race cars need audio too.
Oh, absolutely.
Just look at the tires on that. You guys can go ahead.
Blast brake, man.
At Adam LZ with the Evo. Or Adam LZ, should I say, Mexican Home Cartel. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. Rays. This thing must be set up for grip driving. These super meaty tires. Look at that. Dude, look at the meats on it. M3.
Carbon fiber.
Oh yeah. Oh, she's stick shift.
6-speed. Nice.
And this one?
Dude, even carbon fiber.
This one has the Hammond kit on it, eh?
Yeah. They are, buddy.
That's an aggressive car. Look at the rear over fender. Just insane. This Aston is an absolutely gorgeous car. Absolutely gorgeous.
I saw you see a Wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I did.
Sorry. GTR, pretty typical car.
Can you push them in?
How does that work?
I don't know, they pop out.
Oh. They must push in. That is a nice wheel.
It almost looks like a BBS wrap.
That's why I like it.
Common does look like a BBS wheel, but I like it better in the silver color.
I like.
Yeah, look at that. That's Isaac's new fucking setup.
This is a sweet little rig here.
This is a sweet little unit. Oh.
I already got these priced out. Hey, would you like to sit inside the car? Is that
You can take a seat.
All right, go for it, buddy.
I like to be that kid right. Listen to that. Oh yeah.
Definitely my favorite part about this entire car.
You see what we're here for.
Yes, absolutely.
There she is. Unicorn is one sweet unit. We got the rolls, baby. Look at this pitmobile. Yeah, we need to see this thing go bap, bap, you know, bouncing. Yeah, look at the controller down there. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, look at the fender mirrors. My god, this is just absolutely insane. And in the front, it has a 5.7 liter.
I wish they spun the other way.
Yeah, they could have span it the other way, but
We're at the very anticlimactic part of the car show.
yeah, and one thing noted. I should get one of those. I could go for one of those. But one thing I do note compared to last year is it's really busy and the walkways are narrow in some spots. Oh yeah, that's fucking loud. The bottleneck really bad. Like there's so much bottlenecking here, and there's a lot. Like it would almost be better to come on the weekday for sure.
Yeah.
It's a tall ass escalator. Here we go. Oh yeah, into the bright room. This is where the magic happens. Cup holder review.
Cup holder review? Ooh.
Oh shit.
Told you, this is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens, baby.
They have some of the best
one thing that
carpets.
I'm glad-
Oscar, how do you rate these carpets?
Oh, dude, 10 out of 10. They're really
10 for
plush.
super
They're
plush.
super plush.
They
look like
they're very nice.
Alcantara.
We've come to a good one here. We're at Nissan,
We're at Nissan.
and we're excited. Looks good.
Very excited. We got a little sneak peek of what the heck is that, you
I
know?
don't know, man. This is third VTR.
Look at that. Look at the
Paint, dude.
The Brembos, the wheels. Yeah, the paint. I mean, aside from all the children's fingerprints, dang children. Here we got a nice 370Z Nismo. Fuck yeah, this is a nice car.
Oscar, turn around.
Hey, what? Dude, this is a Leaf Nismo.
We'll come back to the 370.
The Leaf Nismo. The right-hand drive Leaf Nismo. Absolutely insane. Look at those raised wheels. Those raised wheels look custom just for this thing. Just here in my garage. Nismo 370Z. Yeah, you give the door a good check. See, I like how this has like all this nice soft touch, like suede.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, yeah. Let me get in there. You know, wow. 10 out of 10.
V10 R8.
Yeah, imagine.
The drop top. Look at all the carbon fiber.
Yeah, we got the carbon fiber.
All along the back. Cool shroud here. And the skirt.
And the skirt.
Nice 4C.
Those brake calipers are worth more than my car.
This is one of my favorite colors for this car.
Honestly, same.
Absolutely.
It's so vibrant. $189,000.
Oh, dude, pocket change, right?
Pocket change.
Pocket change. We're struggling to put $200 parts in our cars.
Yeah.
And it's that GT3 full carbon fiber.
I love the color on that. Look at the size of the Jaguar brakes as well. And they also got a sneak peek, you know, they got one in the back as well. Dude, he looks like a cop from the 90s.
Oh, it's the same driver as last time.
Yeah.
Lady driven.
Lady driven.
Oh, that's an X5N.
Sick.
Alrighty, boys. So made it back to the island.
Made it back.
It's now around 10 p.m. We got here about 8 a.m. So 14-hour day.
It's chilly.
It's a little colder than when we left, but overall successful day. We arrived back to Oscar's crib. We're all tired.
Yeah, we're
Ready for bed.
Yeah, definitely ready for bed.
And I think that's where this will end.
It was a good day though.
It was a wicked day.
The car show was pretty sweet.
Stoked for next year.
Yeah, my favorite part was probably seeing who again. It's kind of.
Yeah, the unicorn.
It's kind of like, oh, obviously, but yeah,
But 16 in person. It's dope.
pretty fucking sweet.
Cool.